What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Jeep back. I know out there in the world where you're at, you probably had no idea the Jeep was going for a few days, but I had the Jeep going for a few days. Sorry, it's like 5 o'clock here and we got a lot of traffic going behind us because everybody's heading home. And the trucks aren't really bad, it's the motorcycles that are a pain in the butt. They're just very, very noisy. So I love motorcycles, but they're Harleys. Not everybody wants to hear it. And my trash back here hasn't gone for 3 weeks, so it's been an interesting day. But anyway, all that aside, that's not why you're here. I got the Jeep back from the body shop. I had the body mounts replaced because when I pulled the rocker guards off, as you can see right here, they're off. I still got to sandblast them. Behind me, that's why it's silver. There's a little poison spider thing on the right there on the rock sliders, and I wanted silver to come through, but there's a little bit of surface rust on there, so I cleaned it up and shot that with some paint to protect it. That's why they're silver. But I had them replace these body mounts here and here. The front one was okay, but these were rotting out. When I pulled the rock sliders, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Let me turn this around. All right, when I had them pull the rock sliders off, which actually, look here, looks like I got some rust bubbling through. I'm going to have to sand that down and redo that because that's not good. We want to get that addressed before we put the rocker guards. All right, so as you can see, under here, they replaced from here back. So there are all new body mounts there on the tub. And this is the original one right here. This is original here. But these are all new bushings, all new mounts, all new hardware, everything. Go to the other side and take a look. Alrighty, coming to the other side here. Again, you can see they actually drilled all those spot welds out and they did a phenomenal job. You can see where they spliced it in right there. So, yeah, big shout out to the body shop. All new body mounts the whole way around, all new hardware, all new body mounts all the way around, and the actual floor rail was replaced on both sides for those right there. Not a very long video, but I just figured I'd give you an update. Next, it's gonna go to Mount Zion Off-Road in a few weeks to get inspected and an alignment. And after that, I'm gonna probably take it to the local machine shop and have them look at the lifters and see if that's the issue, if I got piston slap. But when it's cold, and I've played with about 1,000 different, not 1,000, that's kind of an exaggeration. I've probably changed the oil about 10 times, different viscosities, different things. Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching. This is kind of an impromptu video, kind of just thrown together. Not very exciting, but I'm excited to have it back and have rust-free body mounts underneath the Jeep. So thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time.